digital lifecycle platform is kind of a proprietary thing which Clemson Composite Center has championed. Using the previous grant that we have got from the Department of Energy, where we have developed a very similar life cycle for thermoplastic composites and for thermoforming process. That particular technology is what excited, and when we put together this for the additive manufacturing, that's basically what has interested Army Research Lab to fund this project.
We're not only creating the so-called digital twin of this process all the way to the performance, but we are trying to build an AI-enabled modeling tool such that we actually can optimize, start from the beginning to optimize the design and the manufacturing process of the final product based on their performance. So that's I think it's fascinating. It's beyond what we have right now.
So 3D printing is a hot topic nowadays, and the ability to bring in materials modeling, small-scale materials modeling into the mix is definitely a plus.
We have a material science person, an AI person, a modeling person, and a person like me who is into the manufacturing and materials. So all of us have different thoughts and different concepts. When we bring all of them together, it's so interesting to see how interdisciplinary nature of problems we are solving.
We kind of touch on different aspects, and that's great for the students in terms of their kind of professional development.
They will be like expert for 3D printing, either modeling or experiments. Okay, so this will be very competitive when they go to the job market. And they will also can be proud of saying that, hey, I created this software, I created this printing technique, and then be proud of what they've done. They will get a good job, and they will feel good about their contribution to the Army, to the country. So I think that's pretty exciting.